यार 50 years बोल बोल के तुम लोग मेरे को बूढ़ा बना दोगे, अभी 50 साल और है। और नहीं है, और नहीं है। हो, thank you, thank you.
That's incredible. Like till now.
But you know, it's really genuinely, and this is not mock humility, but it's, I've been lucky to be at the right place at the right time. And I'm deeply grateful to my directors, writers, and co-stars, because I've said this before, that cinema is such a collaborative medium that unless all the forces work together, you can't shine on your own, and the director is the captain of the ship. But of course, it's the writer who actually makes it.
But ma'am, at this point, being an actor, everybody's saying it's the best time to be an actor.
I think so.
Especially a woman, because there's so many different kind of scripts that are being written.
Yeah.
You have experienced this throughout your career. Is it really the best time?
I think so. I think so, because I think also the advent of the OTT platform has made a lot of place for women. I think they're still struggling. We don't quite know who that woman is, but we are in the process, and just the fact that we are in the quest, that in itself is interesting. Otherwise, there was a box that a woman was put into, you know, and particularly the heroine was always the sacrificing wife, हाँ बेचारी बीवी अच्छी नेक पाँव छू रही है, sacrificing all loving mother will tolerate nonsense, ये सब कुछ था। ये सब हैं औरतें, मगर इससे और भी तो ज़्यादा हैं, और अब वो एस्पेक्ट्स निकलने लगे हैं. So that's good.
If you can tell us what you think about the safety of women in the industry, just not the industry, in workplace.
No, you know, I feel it's very unfortunate that the film industry has targeted and singled out for this, because it's not a safe place for women in any field, and that is because we are still entrenched in a very deep patriarchal mindset where a woman is considered the property of the man. And so we have to go down to the root cause and try to remove that. Of course, it's going to take time, but then it's very important that we make safety of the workplace safe for women, because when these incidents happen, then the signal you are giving it, घर से बाहर मत निकलो, better है कि घर पे, पता नहीं रास्ते में लाइट भी है कि नहीं, क्या हो सकता है, पता नहीं तुमने, ये सब जो चीज़ें हैं ना, we have to take that very seriously into consideration.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, when we can see Tamil movie after Mani
That was also not Tamil. No, I wasn't speaking, no, Tamil, I was speaking English.
you sang all the swaras and everything, Paka. I thought you sang.
Hey, Gauri Saab also?
Yeah.
Can you speak out the Mani Raga?
I can't anymore, forgotten it, but I must say that it was very difficult for me, and there was a time when I felt ये तो मेरे से हो गई है, and I just threw my hands down and I said, नहीं Papa, I'm in Parliament, I can't do it tonight. Thank you. You know, Rajiv Menon, our DOP, he is a Carnatic singer and his mother is a very well-known Carnatic. So he was very skeptical. He said, "क्या North Indian आके क्या करेगी, इसको कुछ नहीं करेगी." And then when I did that Mahaganpatam, then he came to me and said, "Boss." So I said, "That's really something." No, Papa. Let the